Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the power of social media for local merchants. Are you a small business owner looking to expand your reach? Social media is your gateway to a larger audience and more direct customer interactions. Imagine promoting your products and updates without breaking the bank. Social media offers a cost-effective way to do just that. It's not just about selling. It's about building a loyal community around your brand. Showcase your unique offerings and the local charm that makes your business special. Differentiating yourself from larger competitors has never been easier. Attract more foot traffic by highlighting what makes your business stand out. Need the perfect tool to boost your social media presence? AI Social Poster is the go-to for businesses just like yours. It helps automate and streamline your posting efforts, ensuring consistency. Join the growing number of businesses leveraging AI for a smarter approach. Start using AI Social Poster today and watch your local business thrive like never before.